Good morning, children. My name is M. Ponnuraj. My qualification is MSc, MEd, MPhil. I am a biology teacher. Children, listen. Two things are important for your NEET exam or any exams to getting high marks. The two things. The first thing is interest. Very key things. இன்ட்ரெஸ்ட் ஈடுபாடு ஆர்வம் இருந்தாதான் நாம் எதையும் சாதிக்க முடியும் என்பது 100க்கு 100 உண்மை. ரெண்டாவது செகண்ட் இம்பார்ட்டன்ட் திங்ஸ் இஸ் இன்வால்வ்மெண்ட். இன்வால்வ்மெண்ட்னா வேற லெவல்ல முழு ஈடுபாடு இருக்கணும். இன்வால்வ்மெண்ட் இஸ் வெரி கீ. தெளிவாக கான்செப்டை தெளிவாக படியுங்கள், படிப்பதை தெளிவாக உறுதியாக்குங்கள் என்பதை சொல்லிக்கொண்டு என்னுடைய வகுப்பை நான் ஆரம்பிக்கிறேன். நான் ஒரு பயாலஜி டீச்சர். ஃபர்ஸ்ட் தி பேசிக்ஸ் ஆஃப் பயாலஜி. Children, listen. Biology means study of life. Bio means living things. Bio means life. That is living things, living organisms, plants, animals, microorganisms, etc. Logy means study. Logy means study. So study of life, that is living things, living organisms, called biology. Biology contains two major divisions or branches. The first branch is botany. The second branch is zoology. So botany is a branch of biology that deals with the study of flora or plants. Study of flora or plants. Its father of botany. Father of botany is a study of flora or plants. Father of botany, Theophrastus are called as father of botany. Father of botany. So next branch of biology is called zoology. Zoo means animals. Zoology is the branch of biology that deals with animals or fauna. Yeah, fauna. Its the father of zoology is Aristotle. Is aptly called as father of zoology. Living world, basic concept. Listen, basic concept. Living world. Survival of any living organism on the earth is mainly based on three spheres. Sphere means layer. One is atmosphere. That is the air envelope. That second one is hydrosphere. That supports water, essential for living things. The next, the earth called biosphere. So that is land. If any living organism, it may be plant or animal or human beings, whatever it is, these three essential commodities is the basic needs. So first essential commodity is air. Without air, we cannot survive. That is, oxygen is essential. Exchange of gases, CO2 and oxygen. Then second is water. It's another second important essential commodity is the survival of living organism. The next, land. That is a lithosphere. That support, these three spheres support life. Nowadays, the three spheres, atmosphere, hydrosphere, and the biosphere, the earth, lithosphere, land, lithosphere, are highly polluted. Nowadays, these three fear means pollution. Nowadays, our environment is highly polluted. So we can prevent the pollution. Next, the living world, the basic concept. In our earth, the only sphere that support life is biosphere, contain millions of living organisms. There are plants, animals, microorganisms, etc. So their collective term of the study of living organisms, the variety and variability are called biodiversity. Biodiversity. Biodiversity is defined as, what is biodiversity? Biodiversity is defined as the variety and variability among the living organisms on the earth. Biodiversity is defined as the variety and variability among the living organism on the earth. So this is the definition for biodiversity. Biodiversity is defined as the variety and variability among the living organism on the earth. It's called biodiversity. We can study the biodiversity at 3 levels. 3 levels. 3 levels of biodiversity are: one is genetic biodiversity. Biodiversity at the genus level, genetic level. And next, second one is species biodiversity. Biodiversity at the species level. Third one is ecosystem biodiversity. So biodiversity can be studied on 3 levels. The first level is genetic biodiversity. Biodiversity at the genus level. The second one is called species biodiversity. Biodiversity at the species level. The third one is called ecosystem biodiversity. Biodiversity at the ecosystem level. That is biomes,